So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to list out all files and directories in Windows using Python. The same methods can be useful, or we can say that we can use them in all the available OS platforms like Linux, Unix, Windows. So we can use them on all of them. Okay. So let's see that how to list out all the files and directories using Python. So the first step would be import the OS module. Okay. So for that we will import in the OS module. Done. Then we will mention the path variable. Okay, so path, in the path variable we will mention our initial location, initial path for getting the files and folders. Okay, so I want to list out all the files and folders available on the desktop. Okay, so for that I'm mentioning the desktop path. Now we will need a for loop for iteration, for iterate over all the files and directories. Okay, so for that I will create a for loop. So let's create it for files. Okay, for files in os.list dir. Okay, so inside this, so now we have created a for loop, and we have taken files as a variable. Okay, so files will going to iterate, file will represent the list of paths, list of directories and folders present inside this path folder. Okay, so let's try to figure it out. So for example, let me tell you that. So if I mention here files followed by the new line. Okay, so if I run this, it will enlist all the files and folders available on the desktop. Okay, so you can see that it has been listed out all the directories and folders, paths, files available on the desktop. Okay, so likewise, if you want to, this is for listing out all the files and directory. Okay, so now if, for example, let me make it again. So for example, if you want to get a particular folder, okay, from the above, likewise, you can see that we had been listed out already. So among these files and folders, I want to find that whether the videos folder is present on the desktop or not. So for that I'm using if here. Okay, so if inside this condition is satisfied, it, if it becomes true, it will execute the next code. Okay, so for example, if, let me show you, if the files is equal to videos. So for example, if one of these I want to find the videos folder from the list of these files and folders. Okay, so here if files is equal to videos, so if you find that the videos is there, so it will print out, so it should be print out that yes, it is present there. Okay, so yes, videos is there. Okay, so let me execute it and let's see what it will be printed. Okay, so yeah, you can see that it printed out yes, videos is there. Okay, because this condition is satisfied, it's become true, and after it the print has been printed out here. So we already having a videos folder there. Okay, so instead of printing this, so if it finds that videos folder is there, so I just want to go inside that videos folder. So for that we will create a new path equal to, so here we need to change the directory. Okay, so I want to change the directory, so I want to go inside videos. For that I'm using os.change directory. Okay, so now we need to go inside videos directory. For that we are using os change directory. Now inside this os path, then join. So for example, we already having a path which is here. Okay, so which is till the desktop. Okay, so we know that videos folder is present on the desktop. So now what we need to do, we have to join this path with the videos. Okay, so after this path has been joined with the videos, for example, let me show you. So after joining, okay, let me show you that. After the joining operation, okay, it will become like this: users Abdul Kayyum, then desktop, then here videos. So after joining this, it will become like this. Okay, so for this we have to use this os path join. Okay, so first of all, the first path what we want to join, right, The next step will be you want to join two path. Okay, so first one is this path, and the second one just we want to find out here, so videos. Okay, so for that I'm mentioning here files. Okay, so after these both goes join. Okay, so if these both joins, so we will somewhat get a file path like this. After joining these operations, joining these two paths. Okay, after joining these two paths, uh, it will become like this. Okay, after joining these two paths, it will become somewhat like this. Okay, done. So when the directory has been changed, we will use another for loop, and here we will mention the same. So we want to get the files and folder from the new paths. Okay, so for that I'm using new for loop. So inside this I just mention video and then ended by the new line. Okay, done. So this will print out the files and folder from the uh, videos path. So you can see that we have enlisted all the available videos files from the videos folder. So you can see that we have enlisted all the videos from the videos file. So this is how we can get the list of directories and files from the different paths on the Windows as well as the Linux and Unix machine also. So you can do it on the any platform, any available OS platform. So guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.